Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add product weights using the Shopify Bulk Editor. This is a handy feature to update multiple product weights at once if you're managing a broad inventory and want to make swift updates without delving into each individual product. Whether you're updating weights for shipping purposes, adjusting for new courier requirements, or simply need to update product data across your entire store, using the Bulk Editor will save you a lot of time. So let's dive into the process and streamline your workflow. To begin, let's head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, glance over to the left-hand panel where you'll find a host of management options. This is your main navigation area. Here, click on the Products tab. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products you have in your online store. It's a central hub where you can view, edit, or enhance any product in your lineup. With all your products in one place, it makes it easy to apply bulk changes and keep your store data consistent. As you look at the product listings, you'll notice checkboxes next to each product name. These are your tools for selection. Go ahead and check the boxes next to the products for which you want to update the weight. Selecting products in bulk this way helps you save time and avoid unnecessary clicks, especially if you're managing hundreds or thousands of products. Instead of going through each product individually, you can quickly choose a group and make changes all at once. This is especially useful for bulk updates like adding weights to new products or correcting data after an import. Once you've made your selections, navigate to the top of the list, where you'll see the Bulk Edit button. A simple click will open the Bulk Editor, which conveniently simplifies your products into a spreadsheet format. This interface is very user-friendly and gives you a great overview of your products in a table-like format. In this spreadsheet format, you can conduct various edits, such as updating prices, inventory, and product details. It's a familiar sight for many, akin to popular data organizing platforms, making it easy to jump in and start working. Your product details are displayed in a uniform grid, ready for mass editing. However, you may notice the weight of each product isn't visible by default. If that's the case, don't worry. It's a simple fix to add this crucial detail into the mix. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a Columns button. Click on it, and an assortment of additional fields will appear. Scan through until you find the Weight field. Checking this option will integrate a new column into your spreadsheet, allowing you instant access to adjust the weights of your selected products. This flexibility allows you to quickly make necessary changes to product weights without needing to open each product individually. Once you have the weight column visible, it becomes much easier to manage bulk updates for products that need weight adjustments, whether it's for shipping costs, product grouping, or inventory tracking. Once you have the weight column visible, you can directly enter or modify the weights for each product in your list. This approach keeps everything seamless and centralized, as all your changes are undertaken within this editor. Whether you're adjusting for shipping specifics, updating product details categorically, or handling specific carrier requirements, this tool offers efficiency at your fingertips. This is especially useful when you're working with multiple suppliers or shipping partners who require exact weights for calculation purposes. It's a real time saver, allowing you to update your inventory in bulk and reduce the risk of errors from manual entry. You don't have to worry about entering weights individually for each item, which can be tedious and error-prone. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to update product weights in bulk using Shopify's Bulk Editor. This method is beneficial not only for managing shipping and inventory data, but also for enhancing the overall efficiency of your online store operations. By using the Bulk Editor, you're making sure your products are consistently updated without the headache of manual updates, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. For example, this allows you to quickly adjust your inventory after a sale, align with new shipping carrier policies, or make changes after a product launch. With this process in place, you can spend less time on repetitive tasks and more on growing your business. Streamlining your workflow this way will not only save you time, but also reduce human error, ensuring that your customers get the right shipping costs and accurate product details every time.